Hi, I'm Wyatt with Affordable Comfort. Are you looking to save money, avoid headaches, and keep your home comfortable all year? Let me introduce you to the Comfort Club, the maintenance plan that makes home comfort easy. For as low as $7.99 a month, you'll enjoy free cleaning and tune-ups to keep your system running smoothly. We'll even remind you when it's time. Priority service when you need us most. Up to 20% off repairs and a lifetime repair guarantee. Never pay for the same repair twice. Discounts up to $500 on new equipment and a 15-year parts and labor warranty when it's time to upgrade. And the best part? One plan covers all of your home's HVAC equipment. Furnaces, air conditioners, boilers, gas fireplaces, humidifiers, and more. Why wait? For as little as $7.99 a month, the Comfort Club takes the stress out of home maintenance, letting you focus on what matters most. Ready to join? Call us today or visit our website to sign up. The Comfort Club. That's home comfort, made easy.